Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm excited to show through an Amazon order more than one painting. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So luckily at the time of purchase, when I purchased these, well actually Amazon's been doing it since around end of November, and we're in December now, but a lot of their diamond paintings, they've been having them discounted, including multiple packs of diamond paintings. And luckily I found this one at a really good price, and I fell in love with the images when I saw them. It is a pack of 4, and they are beautiful images of butterflies with flowers. And I mean flowers and butterflies. What can go wrong? And I really love the color and the styles. Originally there is a pack. There were 2 options to this pack. There was a 4-pack or a 6-pack. But with the 6-pack, I didn't like the other 2 paintings. So I decided to pick the 4, is, goodness, I can't figure out the word. There's more discounted and a lower price. So, as I decided the 4, and I really love all these images. Apologies for the crinkly noise. I thought it was really neat that they packed them all in one bag, which is so much easier when I first received the package, because again, my mailman thinks it's smart to shove any kind of Amazon package into my really small thin mailbox. He gets it to fit, but sometimes I get worried because I think he'll damage one of my packages. So as you can see, there are 4 different wonderful, colorful, beautiful canvases. I fell in love with them when I saw the website does show when you're looking at the packages, what the order of the package would have, and it shows every image. So I'm not too sure if I'll open each one, or I might actually, just so I can get them out of the packs and I can take care of the creases since I'll put them in my portfolio. So let's open this one first. I see the big old wonderful beautiful magenta rose and just calling out to me. Like I said, I love flowers. So they're all nicely packed in these really sturdy plastic bags. And I really like how they're really tightly packed, which really helps a lot since I wouldn't have to worry about the canvas slipping out or anything of that. If you know how our packages are, love going on little different joy rides in the back of a truck. So that's why I kind of like how nicely tight they have these all packed up. As you can see, everything's rolled up within it. The canvas, I really love these Amazon paintings. Doesn't matter who the seller is. The canvases are really nice and tough, as you can hear. And it works out for me because I don't really frame my paintings. So if I just put them against the wall, I don't have to worry about the back of the painting getting damaged because it has a really tough texture, which really helps, you know, protect the painting. And it does include your standard kit and all of your wonderful diamond. So the standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, all you would do is pour the diamonds into the tray, and you would get the pen, press into the wax, press on the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if the tray suddenly disappears, runs away, or if unfortunately breaks, your next canvas will have one as well. And they always have standard kits, so don't worry. The paintings always have you covered. This one's a little fancier because it comes with nice, wonderful resealable bags. I really appreciate it when they do that. It doesn't matter which kit from what painting. I do use these bags for a lot of my spare storage. And these are wonderful diamonds. Ooh, that is a lot. I believe that's 3865, but it makes sense. The background is a lot of white, but I love all the wonderful pastel colors. You can see here as well. Wonderful magenta in the middle, that dark red. I really love these colors. They're just so pretty. I'm a big fan of them. Apologies if I shake the camera a bit. I'm fixing my lighting because I didn't notice that I moved my little ring light. Oh, there you go. That's a little better. You can see the wonderful little colors. Oh, so pretty. And they're all in these little packets. So once you do, you know, you're getting ready to kit up and start the painting, you just have to cut open each individual packet and pour them into whatever storage device you wish. I don't mind these little packets. I do recycle all the plastic. And they're kind of sturdy, so that's why I kind of like them. Ooh, I love that pink color. That is a really nice color. And this is the canvas. As you can see, some wonderful roses and wondering, wonderful fluttering butterflies flying around. Oh my goodness, seeing it in person, it is a lot clearer than I thought. You can see the drill field really, really clearly. The plastic is a little thinner than I'm used to, but it's alright. I usually remove the plastic covering and I put release paper on it to protect, when I'm going to start painting. So it's alright if it's not the, if you do the washing method, I would recommend to be careful cutting this plastic, because this plastic is really, really thin. So I wouldn't recommend pressing too hard, just in case if it might cut through the canvas. But I don't believe it will, but as I said, the covering is really thin, so I wouldn't chance it. So you can see, oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And it is, it's the field that is so clear. All of the white background has dark lettering, as you can probably see it clearly. And these wonderful roses, the darker ones have a lighter tone for the lettering. And that is really pretty. Oh my goodness, that is really clear. Oh, I really like that. And the canvas feels really light. Usually some of these Amazon paintings I order, they feel a little thicker. But this canvas, I don't know, it feels really light. I really like this. This is real pretty. And some information about the painting. It is Q4512 and it is a 30 by 40 and includes 22 colors. And the legend from the numbers 1 to 8 are numerical order, which is 1 is 1, 2 is 2. And from 9 to 22, they're all capitalized letters in order. Ooh, and I love that the drill field, I'm sorry, not the drill field, the legend is really large. As you can see, the symbols are really large, the numbering is large. I just love the legend is large. And it's also on the top left and lower right. I'm a big fan because I always move my paintings all over the place. I really love when they have the 2 on the sides. And on top it includes a little thumbnail of the image, just in case for comparison. For myself, I do use that. If I feel the color is a little off, I just want to confirm it's correct before I start placing all of the beautiful diamonds on this painting. Oh, I'm a big fan of this one. This is really nice. Excuse me. So let me put it aside real quick. You know what? I am going to open all 4. Just so I can get all the creases out and I can keep these wonderful paintings in my portfolio. Sorry about that. I'm just moving some materials aside. My portfolio is that I organize paintings that I haven't started on. I have a lot of paintings, y'all. And it doesn't matter from where. As long as, you know, I'm able to paint any kind of image I want. I don't have problems with that. That's why I own 2 portfolios. I have a lot of 30 by 40 images because I really love the size. So I have a lot of paintings that are in that style as well. You can see the same thing. Canvas is nice and tough for us. And same thing, standard kit. This one as well has bags, which I do appreciate that. And these are wonderful diamonds. Oh my goodness, this has a little bit more green. You can see this bright green, wonderful purples, the light pink. Ooh, I really like the colors of this one. There's a lot of purple and I like that. And this is the canvas. Wonderful large, kind of more purpley butterflies with these wonderful purpley roses. And as you can see, there's a bit more color than the white background. Which I do appreciate that because, oh my goodness, the roses are so pretty on these paintings. That large butterfly is real clear. This one here at the bottom. I really like that. A really nice, really clear butterfly. And let me just fix the plastic a bit. I'm just doing it just to help it settle because it keeps trying to curl. And there we go. Oh, this is real pretty. Same thing. The identifier for this painting is Q4509 and it's 30 by 40. Same thing, 22 colors. Legend is pretty much the same. 1 to 8 are numbers and 9 to 22 is all capitalized letters. I think all these canvases are going to be the same because they were all in the same pack. And apologies for the previous painting. Actually, pull up that previous painting real quick. I forgot to state, just in case you want to see a bit clearer. Oh my goodness, there's a big difference between the colors. For this painting, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the field, just so you can see if maybe the pink roses are more your style. for this one, since it's a little bit more purpley, I think since it's a little bit darker, I'm not too sure if it's coming out clearly. I will put a clear image here. So you can see this wonderful painting with these beautiful butterflies. Oh my goodness, in person is really, really clear. And I really love these butterflies. Oh, they're so cute and I like that. I know there's a blue one, and that's the one that won me over when I first saw this order. I'm real excited. I was real excited when I first received it, and I saw, oh my goodness, the blue does not disappoint. So let me just get the next one out. This is painting number 3. This one is purpley as well. The other one was more, oops, sorry. It's a little tougher to take out. The bag really does not want to let it go. Let me put it aside real quick. Same thing, just unfurl them. And I really like all of these paintings are pretty much the same style, so you don't have to worry about any of them being different. Little standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Oh, there's brown in this one. I really like that. As you can see, this set is a little bit more earthy tone. As you can see with the whites, the browns in the middle, darker tones. A lot of our lovely 3865 and a really violet purple. I love that. Ooh, these diamonds are a little bit more subtle. I like that. And this is the painting. Huh, I wonder where the brown goes. So this one's a little bit different. As you can probably see, actually I kind of want to measure it a bit. And I'll tell you why I'm thinking about that. I need to find my ruler though. I'm just selling the plastic because this plastic is really, really crinkled. So it's kind of trying to roll the painting up a bit. This one does look a little bit different than the other 2 canvases, since you can kind of tell the white border is a little bit thicker. And I think the drill field is a little bit smaller. I think I have a ruler around here somewhere. Apologies, I'm moving away from the microphone. Or maybe not. Actually, let me check if I can get my ruler really, really quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I had to really look for my little kitty ruler because I put it in another drawer and I can't remember where it was. The reason I'm measuring is because I said the border is really, really thick. So the drill field itself is almost a little bit over 9 inches. Huh. And that's for the width of it, for the length of it. I'll just pull it a bit. It is 13. So the whole canvas has to be 30 by 40. Ooh, it's, well, no, apologies. Centimeters. Let me turn this over. So that's 0. Yeah, this is 40. So, makes sense why the drill field is a little bit smaller, but this is smaller than the other paintings. I can tell. Which the drill field itself is 24 centimeters. That is interesting. That is a thicker border. Oh, and this one is a little bit different. The identifier for it is Q2385, and it is 18 colors, not 22 like the other ones. And the legend is 1 through 8, numerical order, and 9 through 18, all capitalized letters. Oh, I do like that. I think since the drill field is smaller, I think the painting is going to be smaller. Which means this one can be kind of worked up a little faster. It's only 18 colors. The majority of it is the really dark, beautiful purples. I really love that violet. Oh, it might be a little smaller, but I really do like this painting. That's the only thing that's different. It's different than the other 2. It's the border. So I'm going to keep saying it over and over. Apologies for that. It just surprised me. But since it's a 4-pack, I assumed all of them would be matching. Sometimes you'll be surprised. But I really do like this one. It's really pretty. I love that purple. So let me check the last painting, which is the one I really, really wanted to pick up. Sorry, that really won me over when I first purchased this pack. And let me put my ruler away real quick. And I think it was just that painting that was a little bit different. It's interesting. I wonder why they have it a bit different than the others. Don't get me wrong, I still like it. I just think it's odd to me that it's not all matching. The same thing, if you just furl it, this is everything. Again, standard kit, told you. They always find you. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, all of these blues and the teals. I'm a big fan of them. A couple of purples in the middle, and of course our lovely little white there. But I really love these blue tones, as you can see here. And a wonderful purple and more of that blue. Ooh, I really like these colors. And they're a little darker, and I kind of like that. Big fan of that. And this is the painting. As I said, it was this painting that won me over. I love the blue butterflies. Blue monarch is one of my favorite butterflies because I just love that color on them. So I call them blue monarch, but I don't think that's what they're technically called. But in my head, I call them that way because they make me think of a monarch butterfly, which is usually that nice earthy orangey color. I believe it's called a blue monarch, but that's what I call it. And it kind of looks like this style. Gorgeous blue tones in the wings, and the butterfly is just so pretty. I've never seen one in real life. I actually hope I do if I ever get a chance to, you know, visit a butterfly park. A park that has those kind of butterflies indigenous to it. There you go. That's a better wording. Or a butterfly park. Whichever one. So you can see, just fixing the plastic to settle a little bit, it does look like the other paintings that I've shown. I think this painting might be the first one I would start. If I feel like, you know, kidding up. Just a regular painting. Nothing too fancy. It's just wonderful butterflies and a lot of beautiful tones. I do notice with this one, and not so much with the others, this one has a lot of confetti in it. I could tell with the different tones in the wings, different tones in the flowers. This one's a little bit, I think, difficult than the other ones. Yeah, the other ones had a lot of color blocking, meaning large sections of the same color. But this one does have a lot of confetti. I love the little purple flowers too. Really pretty. I love the little black strip in the back. I think it's supposed to be like a wall, and there's paint spattered in the background. This is a little bit different style, but I do love the tones. The identifier for this one is Q4510, and this one has 22 colors. Same thing, legend is 1 through 8 in numerical order, and then 9 to 22 in alphabetical order. Oh, I'm sorry, in capitalized letters. I really like it. And this, as you can see, the border for this one isn't that thick. So this one should be pretty much an okay size. I really do like this one. Ooh. Not too sure because I have so many other paintings kitted up, but I really do love these paintings. And I have seen a lot of their other packs of different paintings, which are either, I've seen 4 packs, 6 packs, and the most I've seen was 8. And they've been really discounted. So for this pack of paintings, I'll make sure everything I showed today, I'll put the description below. I have a nice set of butterfly paintings of your style too. I'll make sure to put all of that. Stay tuned. I might buy a couple more packs of different painting types. Not all butterflies, don't get me wrong. They have a whole bunch of different styles, and I actually want to pick up some because they're really nice. And I've never had problems with paintings I've purchased through Amazon. Big fan of them, so you should check it out. There's a lot of sales going on, so you might be able to get a really good number of canvases for a good price. Wouldn't have any issue for that. And just to clarify, I am not sponsored or affiliated with Amazon. I just really like their paintings. So that's all I really wanted to show today, and I was real excited that I would be able this time to show more than one painting. So I was real excited to show this painting set since I was able to buy them. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you could do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, really helps put the channel out there. Really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings that we love to do. 4-pack and all. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.